Amazing freaking waves!
Alright guys, Happy New Year. Welcome back to the channel. It's Erock Rodz, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the ONEBOT S7F e-bike. Let's open this up, see what's inside, and get riding. So first thing you'll notice is this box is tiny. Let's open it up, see what's inside. And it looks like it's going to be mostly assembled. Just put on the seat post. Let's see what's in these boxes. Seat post and seat. Looks like the charger and manual in here. 1.5 amp charger. And this is the ONEBOT S7F. There we go. Okay, so it looks like it's almost fully assembled except for the handlebars. This should be a pretty quick assembly. Should be pretty quick. And that's it. We're ready to roll.
That's it, right.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Erock Rodz, and today we're reviewing a new bike, the ONEBOT S7. We'll take a look at the bike in just a bit, but I'm just doing a quick ride around this park. It's cold and wet, but trying to see how this bike does. So last year, almost a year ago from now, we reviewed another ONEBOT e-bike. It was a single suspension. This bike is a full suspension, so it should be a little bit more comfortable. And first impressions are, it does have a little bit more of a cushier ride, but it's still not the softest. So this is going to be your basic commuter scooter bike. It's a folding electric bike that gets really compact when you fold it down, but its only top speed is around, I think, like 15 plus miles per hour. It's a single speed. There's no different PAS settings. There's one single PAS, and it's a full throttle, so you could pedal it, and it's got a decent, the pedal stroke is actually not bad. I mean, there's not really any resistance, but I'm pedaling casually, and it feels like it's riding at a good pace. So this is definitely a bike that you could take on trails. It's basically like, let's say below a class 2 actually, because the top speed doesn't even get to 20 miles per hour. We'll take a look at the bike and we'll go over some of the specs, but I just wanted to see how it felt. It packs down small. I just took it out of the back of the SUV. It's a very similar bike to the Jetson Bolt Pro. When it comes to bikes like of this size and price range, I compare it to that bike because that's a pretty popular mini e-bike. But this one folds down pretty compact, and it rides up a lot higher than the Jetson Bolt Pro. I feel like I'm pretty upright. I'm riding very upright. Yeah, so right now I have family visiting for the holidays, and we're at this skate park right now. I don't think I'm gonna take the bike on any of these. I might die. Alright guys, so what we got here is the ONEBOT S7S. This has a 36 volt 5.2 amp hour battery and a 350 watt motor in the back. It has dual suspension. I mean, the suspension's doesn't have the most travel, but it does have dual suspension for this small compact bike. It has 14-inch pneumatic tires It has a folding design where you could fold in the pedals and fold the bike in half for easy transportation. On the cockpit, we have a full twist throttle, and it's got a simple display with just the battery bar. Single button turns it on, single button turns it off. Rear, front disc brakes, comes with a little bell. No front headlight, no tail light. It does have a little reflector, but I have to adjust that. One cool thing about it is that when you do fold it in half, it has this little wheel in the middle, so it's easy to kind of roll around when you fold it. I'll see if I could demonstrate that later. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing too crazy about the bike. It's a basic commuter scooter last mile e-bike. Doesn't have the fastest top speed. It doesn't have the greatest torque, but nice little bike to cruise around on. If you're looking for something like the Jetson Bolt Pro, this is a nice alternative because it sits up higher. The seat height is actually pretty high. It's probably around like 31 inches at the lowest point because it has this little bolt that blocks it from going any lower. And then the handlebars can adjust as well. I have it at almost the max that it would go with the tension of the wires, but it does fold down if you're a shorter rider. Let's keep it low for now. It's very easy to adjust, quick to fold, quick to transport. So it's a nice little compact e-bike to take with you on the go. Throw it in the back of your car. Sick. All right, so it's pretty easy to fold this bike. Pedals, 1, 2, handlebars, down, and then it's good to go. It's got a little wheel right on the bottom if you need to roll it. I'm not sure how you hold it, but 44 pounds. Easy peasy.